We're arriving at LIV in Americus. Or what's it called? The Marine something or other?
Factory Direct.
Marine Factory Direct Marine.
See the leaves?
We're debating on getting a LIV as we've sold the pop-up camper. Yep. So we're thinking about it. We're gonna hopefully tour the factory and learn more.
We're already building the leaves.
2024 Bunkhouse 201.
About like 4 years, 5 years. Yeah, it's like we're taking the risk, right? Like when you buy something new, like the first people that got, the electric cars, right? They did not know the whole thing would collapse or do well. It did well, but the same thing, like
Walter, not.
Walter's always bothered. Yeah.
Of course, now that's like that with any new body style car. That first year, you're gonna have some problems. But then they fix it. Over the next year or two, they fix it.
This is a 17 FD. The awning's already up. Oh, there's something going. Oh, this one is so cute. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is nice. It's got like a pretty big table. That is cute. Playing the radio. This would be cute for like a couple, like, like two people. They got their bed happening. That's an interesting shaped mattress. And the bathroom. Good deal.
Yes.
This is a 201 BHS. What's the weight limit? Or what's the...
This is probably around 25 or 2600.
25 or 2600?
It's gonna be a little heavier. This one does have the outdoor kitchen option.
Ooh, it has an outdoor kitchen option.
So this is probably over 2,000.
Ooh.
Yeah, that is very nice. With the door, you can have your bed and you can close the door.
Is it easy to open the Murphy bed or no?
You got to give them 2 latches.
Oh, okay. But you don't... Should I not do it? Or no? Okay, I won't do it. I won't do it. Does it cause your feet to dangle? That's why there was something we were almost going to buy and we didn't because...
You'll lay this way.
Oh, okay. This is about as spacious as our pop-up. Wow.
Storage area for us. We build boats
Oh,
too.
okay.
So we used to use this for storage, and then we went and redid it, and then we moved in here about a year and a half. That side.
Oh, sure. Well, oh, okay.
I'll let you go with it.
So all we do, once this came out of our seat, we'll sit it down on the ground, and then when we're ready, just put your hand here and front it. Oh. And then we weld it together.
Nice.
So what do you use for welding?
It's a vibrating, pulsing heat welder. It vibrates and pulses.
And it uses like a resin?
Yeah, it uses like it's a plastic rod that goes through it.
Nice.
Oh, okay, nice.
The frame.
Powder-coated frame.
Oh, cool. Powder-coated frame for a 17.
And we build it,
Yeah.
and then we powder coat it. And now what we're doing here is we're dressing it. That means we're putting all the stuff on it.
Mm-hmm.
So we used to use the old-fashioned iron pipe. You see it there?
Yeah.
For your LP. Now these are all custom made for us.
Nice.
And the hoses, we don't ever have to worry about them leaking. When you do the iron, you got to make sure you get the goop around the edges and everything. These are nice and easy. They last forever.
Very cool.
So you weld the frames yourself?
We weld the
You
frames
fabricate
ourselves.
them?
Nice. I love that it's all made here. That's great. Yeah.
The tires are American-made tires. Okay, they come from Georgia, actually. This is an aluminum frame. Now, unless you really, I don't recommend aluminum unless you're really tight on weight.
Yeah, we were thinking about the galvanized. What do you like the galvanized?
Galvanized or painted, yeah. This is something that if you said, I got to be way, way, way low, this will save you about 200 pounds of weight.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't save that much.
And it's not as strong. These are, you can see, these are not as strong.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
And they have no give like the other one. They still have some give.
They have give. We have to put, this is a piece of galvanized steel.
Like to shock.
We have to put that bracket on because this is too soft.
Gotcha.
And
Yeah,
the
it makes
wheel moving
sense.
will hollow out the holes in the aluminum.
Yeah.
We don't do that.
This is the galvanized frame.
Is this one a 23 or 21?
This is a 21.
Oh, so this is like what we would be getting
Yeah,
probably.
if you go with the galvanized.
Very cool.
This has got the electric jacks going on it.
Uh-huh.
Okay. This is your black tank. This is your gray tank.
So the electric jacket adds weight because it has all these
Oh,
huge
it's
bar.
heavy. It's heavy. Yeah. But it'll still be 2,600 pounds.
So there's some in the
So
making
it's
over
they're
here.
It's self-leveling.
More or less.
Oh, okay. You still kind of have to check.
You still got a plan to take in because the water level will come up. So we made a short little door in it. And we'll pull all that out and we'll just put a regular door in later. But this is going to be
So we're gonna make a video of it.
Thursday. This will be
Promotional video.
This will be This is
Nice.
a promotional video.
Nice. Good idea.
That's a great idea.
So
Yeah.
we'll back it in and we'll let this float right off the trailer. And we're going to have a boat and we're going to pull it around.
Right. So if Florida goes underwater, we're set.
You're good.
Yes.
That is a good idea. Yeah.
The first piece is very heavy. It's PVC pipe. So it comes out hot. Then the next piece that comes out above it is a little piece of this,
Uh-huh.
and it fits on here. And then we just hit the button, and it puts the plastic. You can see the reel right here.
Oh, I see. It's a full screen automatically.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it heats the plastic, and then it welds it on. These machines do.
Now the tables.
Oh, cool. This is like the one that we're probably going to
Now,
get.
there's your main weld.
Oh, I see.
There's
Yeah,
your
it's
main.
very
That's your
smooth.
main weld right there. Okay, and it's very, very strong. So the bathroom is going in this one. You can see they're getting ready to weld in the bunks. Okay.
So what? It starts here and
How many
ends there.
wires? Isn't that cool? This
We
in the
have
middle
big
being
long
done.
Oh,
This has the skylight over the tub. This will be your.
It's one of the small welders with some filament.
Yeah, I know.
Marine seagrass.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what we'd probably interested in.
This is standard equipment now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So if you drop something on this, it's not going to rip. It'll open up because it's weaved.
Oh,
And it'll
okay.
go back, and it's nice
So
and thick.
how would you suggest cleaning?
Positive pressure inside the unit, and it tells us how much with this Magnaflux machine, right? Or the gauge right here. So we go pretty much up to about 60.
Okay.
We put this on the top, and what it does, it sucks down. This thing sucks down air into the unit when it's all closed, and it allows it to. If there's any air leaks, you'll go around the outside. You can hear them.
The whistling because of the pressure.
You can hear it.
Nice. And then you go
So
there
each
and
one-
cock it again, like with the same machine, the little one. Okay.
This goes all the way to the. You can see this goes all the way up to the ceiling, so that inside the unit. Now you'll still always get on any unit. You'll get a little. You see here where this. You're going to get air there. If you take a pressure washer and you just sit there like that, you'll
Right.
get a little through here.
Sure, that makes sense.
But the rest of it, and this thing here will be blowing air out. And then what we do is we go around and we check it, and if we find any place that needs to be fixed, we go ahead and
Hit it.
Wow. Not even a mark.
and hit that. It'll make a little mark with that. 'Cause
You want to
that's
make
the
a
weld
mark?
itself.
Yeah, I left indentation on that.
Fold it up. This is your wall. This is your all the way down. This is your roof. And then
And the folding now is with the gravity machine, or do you fold them by hand?
We fold them by hand. We put come-alongs on them and we fold them up. This piece comes off, and the wall will fit in here.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll leave the heavy duty piece on here, underneath, and we'll weld that. This is where your main weld goes, and then a little weld on the side here.